Okay, so the third image is a Twitter background. As you can see in this screenshot of my Twitter profile, the Twitter background is the navy blue with the big white bees over here to the navy blue over this side. So all elements of your profile are overlaid on the background. I highly recommend using a maximum of 2 to 3 colors again. Keep them the same colors as you've been using in both your header image and your profile image. And again, keep it very simple, not highly detailed, just very simple, very elegant, and you will look very professional. So background images actually vary between monitors, and Twitter don't do a very good job at this, but the best size for your image I recommend is 1920 by 1080 pixels. This will show how you want it to show on 85% of monitors. So I recommend 1920 by 1080 pixels. You can also use a smaller image that you can align left or right of your profile in that space we saw before. Let me see. As you can see, I have one over here. This is one space. This is just an image that I have aligned left, and this is just the color of the background that matches the image. I could also align this image right and have it over here if I wanted, and this to be just the blank color. So how do you do that? You create a smaller image, 700 pixels tall by 194 pixels wide, and it works really well at displaying to the left or the right of your business. I'll show you a couple of examples in just a second. Another alternative, if you don't have anything you want to display, is just to use a plain colored black background that is available to be selected in the Twitter settings. Very good alternative to keep your profile simple. Okay, so this is one of my friend's profile, Justin Mares. He's actually written this book, Traction. And so what he has done, he's put a graphic to the left of his profile displaying his book and the authors of the book. Anyone who logs onto his profile will see this exact layout. Obviously, the most eye-catching thing on this page is the book, which gets a lot of eyes on it. Here is Sinead Duffy. This is a great Twitter account with some awesome quotes that I like to follow. They have 2.3 million followers at the moment. As you can see, they have also utilized the left-hand column in order to advertise coaching from Sinead Duffy. Up the top, you can see they have a not so simple but quite symbolic logo that they have matched the profile photo to the background, maintaining that professional continuity.